two, three.
Down around the corner, a half mile from here, you can see that long train run. And you once said